Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with no fail recipe. When we think of chaat, the first thing that instantly springs to mind is the irresistible Pani Puri. It's pretty obvious that we buy the puris from the market. So today let's prepare this hygienically at home and offer our Jagannath. I am going to share all the tricks and tips to prepare a 100% crispy and perfect Pani Puri. So let's get started. To make puris for Pani Puri, first take 1 cup of coarse semolina or sooji or rava. It's very important to remember that we must not use fine semolina. Only the coarse textured semolina gives the puris their perfect crispiness. That's the one we need to use. Into this add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it roughly. Here we have to use only maida. Do not use wheat flour. Next add half a cup of boiling hot water to the mixture. Right now it's very hot, so first mix it gently with the help of a spoon. And here make sure to use only boiling hot water. Do not use warm water or normal water. Now knead the dough. Do not add any other ingredients, no oil, no salt, nothing else. There is absolutely no need to add any more water to this. If you find it a bit dry, you can add just 1 more spoonful, no more than that. We knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes smooth. And with this, our dough is ready. Cover it with a slightly damp cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now knead the dough for a minute to make it smooth. We have rested the dough for 15 minutes and that's all it needs. Do not rest it for longer. Now divide the dough into small balls. Now flatten all the balls. Next, sprinkle a little bit of maida on top of these balls so that they don't stick to each other. Keep them covered with a cloth to prevent them from drying out. Now let's start rolling the puris. Roll it. The puris should not be rolled too thin or too thick. They should be of a moderate thickness for the perfect crunch and puffiness. Place the puris on a cotton cloth like this, one by one. Similarly, roll all the puris. We have rolled all the puris. Let's start frying them. And exactly that is why we arrange the puris in sequence. The upper part of the puris are drier and their lower part would be little moist. Place the moist part of these puris in the oil first. So fry the puris we rolled first as they will be drier. The oil should not be too hot, it needs to be medium hot for frying. Once the oil is at the right temperature, drop the puris, then gently press with a ladle so that they puff up properly. Make sure to fry from low to medium flame, else it will turn red immediately and upon cooling the puris may soften. As you can see, the puris are perfectly golden and crispy. Take them out in a plate. All the puris are puffing up perfectly. Similarly, fry all the puris.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Place the
Rama,
puris in a strainer so that the excess oil drains out completely. And with this measurement, you can make around 80 puris. And out of all the puris we made, only 4 puris turned out flat. Rest all puffed up beautifully. Cool the puris completely. The puris have completely cooled down, and as you can see, they are perfectly crispy, just the way they should be. Stay tuned for more prasadam recipes. If you like all these prasadam recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.